Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So in this video, let's look at what are all the breakout stocks which we present every week as 100% breakout stocks. And these are the stocks which are coming out with or given a breakout with huge volumes on the website. So let's get into the video. So before that, this is the channel and here we do post about all breakout stocks and interesting analysis on the fundamentals and Nifty Bank Nifty analysis every day and sector analysis, IPO analysis, and many. So let's get into the video. The first one is India Mart. India Mart, after a consolidation from 9,960 levels to 6,680 levels, I mean, like after the fall from 9,950, I mean, like in the month of February 21, it made a low of 6,700 and in the month of 14th May 21, and after that it's been a long consolidation. It gave a breakout in the month of August, September, and now again after a triangle, it has given a triangle pattern breakout and currently sustaining above 8,690 levels. So sustaining above 8,690 levels, the script may move towards 9,250, 9,500, and 9,950 levels, which is the all-time high. So keep this in radar. This is also an FNO stock, and it has given a huge breakout on the upside after a consolidation. It is like a triangle pattern. Has given a come out with a huge volumes of more than average volumes, and um, the RSI also supports. It is just crossing above 60 levels, and I'm expecting this should trigger towards the all-time high of 9,950 levels. So please keep this in radar. So the next one is MTAR. So MTAR, you can see it made a low of 1,173 from all-time high of 1,558, and after that it gave a like a consolidation and reversal from there, and now on Friday it has given a huge breakout above the all-time high of 1,550. So this script, particularly this script was like in the listed listed in the market after the IPO from since like from March 15, 2021. It made a consolidation at this level. So it's also like a like ascending triangle pattern, and it has given a breakout, again a fall. Now again it has given a breakout at the upside. So sustaining above 1,000, the all-time high of 1,563. The script may move towards 1,650, 1,700 levels. So please keep this in radar for the next week. So the next one is Wipro. You can see Wipro, from the month of 14th July 21, it was in a huge, like in a stellar move towards 695, close to 700 levels, and after in 700 levels, it gave a shooting star pattern. It fell down. It fell close to 627 levels. Now currently consolidation, and it has given a breakout above 661 levels. So it is actually in a resistance area. So sustaining above this 660 levels, the stock may start its up move towards the all-time high of 699 or 700 levels, and from there it may move towards further upside. So the next stock is MCX, Multi Commodity Exchange. You can see again the stock has made, like after a consolidation for almost 1 year period, like 1 year and 2 months, close to 14 months of period since last August 2020. It has been trading in the range of 1,833 to 1,440 levels. So it has been in a price action, and now it has given a strong breakout on the upside on last Thursday and Friday. So I am expecting the script should retest towards its all-time, like its breakout levels 1760, 1800 levels, and from there it will be a good accumulation point towards the next expansion levels. So the stock would move towards 1850, 1900, 1950 and 2000 levels on the upside in the coming months. So please keep this in radar. So the next one is City Union Bank. So City Union Bank, it made an all-time high in the month of January 20, and it made a low towards lows 109 in the month of March during the fall, I mean like during the COVID fall, and after that it is following a triangle pattern, and now it has given a breakout above this triangle pattern. So sustaining above 163 levels, the stock, it's a PSU bank, it may move slowly, but it may start move towards 180, 196 levels. The the KSA levels, I mean like the current accounts, small accounts, savings accounts, everything looks good for the bank, and I'm expecting this should move towards 180, 200 levels, and above that 219, 233 levels in the next 3 to 6 months period. So again, this is a slow moving stock. Don't be so aggressive, and the people's already holding, I mean like holding, can keep start accumulating on the few, I mean like on the few quantities, or add up to the existing quantities. So people who are getting into new, don't be so aggressive. You can start accumulating on a limited quantity, and you can wait for this, because since March 2020, after that people have a mindset like a quick money mindset. So people who are expecting quick money on PSU banks, please be very careful. It will move, but it will move very slowly, because patience is the key here in the PSU banks. So the next one is Persistent Systems. So Persistent Systems, it's been in a stellar move since the month of May 20, and you can see the stock never gave a dip less, I mean like not more than close to 10 to 15 percentage dip, and now it has it has given a strong breakout again on the upside on the last working day, which is Friday. So sustaining above 4000 levels, again the stock should move towards 4091, 4200 levels in the coming weeks. So please keep this in radar. So the next stock will be Reliance Industries. So you can see, so when Reliance broke this price action pattern, had given an indication in our group that it may start its next expansion level. So that is what it is happening. It is moved towards 2700 levels. We gave already the levels, and we are already in the cash group and following it. So currently it is trading at 2600, 700 levels as of now. The stock may move towards 2800 and 2900 levels in the coming month. So this has given a huge breakout on the last working day. So please keep this in radar. I am expecting this week it should achieve 2724 levels in the coming days. So the next one is Bandhan Bank. You can see. So Bandhan Bank made an all-time high in the month of, I mean like 741 in the month of August 2018. After that, it made a huge fall in the month of March 20 during the COVID period, and now it is like a triangle pattern breakout. So sustaining above 345 levels, the next targets will be 365 and 400 levels, 420 levels in the next 2 to 3 months level. Again, this is also a PSU bank, as I said earlier, for City Union Bank. So this will also be a slow moving stock, but currently these banks, I mean like all the the PSU banks, particularly Bandhan Bank, CUB, and a few other banks are having a good KSR issue and revenue and TTM levels are good. So these are started to perform good. The loan books are started to, I mean, like, to get refilled, and it's giving a, I mean, like, a continuous growth on the books. And that is where that is what we can see on these charts. It started to give the move on the upside. So you can see since 2000, I mean, like, it gave a breakout at 292, and next 3 4 days it gave a huge move, and you can see the intensity of the bullishness. So I'm expecting this should continue towards at least 300 350 levels in the next week. So the next one will be, I think we saw the MCX. The next one will be Prince Pipes. So Prince Pipe, you can see it made a high at 24th May 2021 at 789, made a low of 600 levels, and now it has given a breakout on the upside after a huge consolidation. It is also like a triangle pattern breakout. So sustaining above 718, 720 levels, the stock may move towards 750. It is currently at 750, 770, 784 levels, and it may start its next set of expansions. So as you all know, this China Plus theme is actually going to benefit PVC pipes, the PVC pipes, the companies, and most of the chemical companies are getting benefited on that. And as you all know, the dependency should be reduced from the China, and that should be getting into the emerging, I mean, like, emerging countries like India and few other countries. So that is what, like, China Plus One theme, and that is, we can see now there is a power crunch or power issues going on in the China, and so that the production, industrial production is getting affected, and we can see all that is reflecting in the Indian market. Indian market is getting benefit because of that. So this should continue at least for a while, and since, I mean, like, till the time the power issues get settled over in China. So please use this opportunity and make some bucks. So apart from this, let's look at IT sector. TCS. TCS, you can see it has given a good I mean, like, the it has given a breakout on the upside on Friday, but actually the street estimates were not that satisfying. The estimates, the revenue outcome which has come was not expected to the street estimates. So I'm expecting a dip tomorrow, and it may pull towards on the upside. So let's wait. If it sustains above 3,955, it may move towards 4,000 levels in the coming weeks. Next one will be Polycab. So you can see it has given a rounded bottom. So sustaining about 2,529 levels, it may move towards 2,600, 2,000 levels in the coming months. Again, this is also a company which is getting benefited due to the China Plus One theme. So please keep this in radar. Next one is IEX. You can see IEX has given a strong breakout. It made a flag pattern, and flag pattern, it has given a strong breakout on the upside. Currently it is taking resistance around 698. Sustaining above this, the stock may move towards 750 levels in the next, I mean, in the coming weeks. So please keep this also in radar. So that's all, guys. These are all the breakout stocks which are being in radar for the next month. So please keep this in radar, and focus on these stocks. So hope this information is useful to you, and I would like to I would like request you to please share with your friends and family. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.